Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Kind of a concave looking, if you use maybe different colors, you could make a petal of a flower. 2 ellipses to make that shape. Just make a copy and bring the other one over here. And it doesn't matter what size, because you can always make it larger later. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and I made that shape. I think I will enlarge it. And then I'll left click, right click. And I'm going to open up the contour docker, which is under effects and contour. I'm going to contour the inside just a 1/2 of an inch and get that shape. Now I've got to go and break the contour apart. And then I'm going to grab this, and didn't really need to nudge it that far, but that's fine. I'm going to try a blue on both of them. Then let's take the interactive fill tool and go from, I didn't do blue before, and hopefully it'll work. I just did a gray. And let's do that right there, and then go to this one and go the opposite way. I'm going to select both of them and take away the outline by right-clicking. Now I'm going to nudge this back over, and look at that. It appears that it's a dip in a, I would think, a piece of plastic. Let's play around with it and see what we can do with it. Let's group that together. Go ahead and hit P, put it in the center of the page, and maybe just bring it up. Control D to make a duplicate and double click on the rotation, and let's put it right there. And let's see if we can rotate it where it's not touching. And it has to be something divisible. So really it's not going to work too well. We could go 72. It's not going to be as cool. And then Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it. 144. Control D, Control D. It'd be a lot neater if they were closer together, and we can do that, and I might even do another video. And go up to object, make it black, go up to object order, back a page. It appears that it's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, and really easy. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.